All right, welcome back, everyone. Okay, so again, this is starting to look a little bit cluttered. And if I go ahead and I bring it back to something like this size right here, this is what it would actually look like when you're programming. I usually just put it up the size just so that you can see it a little bit better. So this doesn't look quite as scary, but basically let's format this a little bit better. So first of all, let's go ahead and let's just break this up a little bit. Okay, and I'm just going to do this, and this you can instantly see that it looks a lot better. You can almost even do that if you really wanted it to. Okay, so I'm just going to bring it in a little bit more so you can see it here. Now, one of my favorite fonts I like to use is Impact. Okay, and that actually looks like a good header, and we can actually give this a title. We can call this and why not give it an exclamation point too. So yeah, so basically what we can do is we can go and do that, and we can also add an underline to this as well, and make sure you close off the tag, and there we go. Now, one other thing that we can do is we can actually add in for color values, instead of adding a number, or sorry, adding in a name, we can add in a number. So if you push the number sign or shift 3, you can actually give it a number like that right here. Now, that number doesn't quite work, right? And there we go. So yeah, so basically there's a whole bunch of different codes here, and then if you change these numbers up, you can actually see that there are the color changes a bit. So in this case, I put the number sign FF and 0057, etc. Right? And so I can give it a 1, or I can give it I can just give it a 57, etc. or a CC. Right? And you can see that I can change it up there. There's a whole bunch of different color codes for this as well, and this just gives you a little bit more variety in terms of just using the standard colors. All right, so I'm just going to leave it as orange there, and that's how you change the text color, and that's how you make sure the color is a little bit more dynamic than our regular colors. I'll see you guys next.